Yeah, we had ourselves another congressional dog and pony show. They love putting on dog and pony shows in Washington, D.C. Hey, actually doing their job and passing, I don't know, spending bills. No, they got to do their investigations. Oh, we got a long list of these stupid things that they do all the time. I remember making fun of the ridiculous dog and pony show with steroids in baseball. You guys have nothing else better to do? Well, anyway, we got Bernie Sanders up there, and they brought in the top man CEO of Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk is behind Wegovy and Ozempic. And the demand for these things have gone through the roof here in the United States. It's more expensive here than it is everywhere else. And Bernie Sanders doesn't like it. Okay. The CEO said he wants to work with Congress on policy solutions that will address the structural issues that drive up prescription drug costs. He's also committed to sitting down with pharmaceutical benefit managers, middlemen who negotiate drug rebates with manufacturers on behalf of insurers, to collaborate on anything that helps patients get access and affordability. Okay. Bernie Sanders not happy, saying that why isn't Novo Nordisk treating the American people the way you treat people all over the world? Stop ripping us off. So far, this company has had nearly $50 billion in sales from these two drugs, most of the revenue coming from the United States. Yeah, we got a lot of obesity here. Okay, great market for this company here in the United States. Ozempic costs about $1,000 a month. Wegovy costs about $1,300 a month here in the United States. And again, some European countries, Ozempic costs $59 in Germany. Wegovy costs $92 in the UK. Sanders is saying that the company could sell a version of Ozempic for less than $100 a month. We go on and on and on. First and foremost, this is nothing new. Okay, this is nothing new. Again, this is a dog and pony show because the United States of America pays the R&D costs for drugs from all over the world. It's just how it works here, kids. It's how it works. We pay the R&D costs. Companies will go to other countries around the globe and they'll say, okay, this is what their healthcare system is willing to pay, and they take it. They take it. Much, much different here in the good old USA. You're picking on Novo Nordisk, but the same thing with American pharmaceutical companies as well. Now, somebody has to pay. Again, you want to talk about, I've talked about this before in regards to trade deals. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's fair that the United States should have to do this. But how do you go about changing it? If Bernie Sanders, these people, they're holding this hearing, and it's not going to go anywhere. If they were to say, okay, we're not going to pay here in the United States, our drugs have to be a percentage or close to what it is the average of European nations. That would basically there wouldn't be any more drugs, put it that way. The amount of money it costs to develop various different treatments is very, very expensive. It can take a very long period of time. We've discussed this here on the program. The way the system is set up, no, it's not good. But again, that's the way our insurance system is set up, the way Obamacare is set up. There's no transparency when it comes to anything, when it comes to healthcare. You don't go to a hospital here in the United States and see what their menu is. You don't go to a doctor's office and see what the cost of anything is. It's all a negotiation, quite frankly. Yeah, interesting here, a little side anecdote. Waiting to get an approval for my stupid insurance company for my son's MRI so he can get back onto the lacrosse field. Anyway, neither here nor there. Rejected. I'm like, Steven, go, just go pay for it. Just go pay for it out of pocket. $400. Get your MRI. $4. Yeah, paying for it in cash, as it turned out, was less than it would have been if the insurance company paid for it. To say that our healthcare system is a disaster is an understatement. And if you think that these dog and pony shows that they're putting on in Congress are going to change anything, you're crazy. WatchDog on WallStreet.com.